TikTok is making it easy for everyone to make money on TikTok. So if $100,000 a month is not little money for you, then watch this video and learn. So you go to your TikTok. Once you go to your TikTok, you tap this arrow for this very video that you're watching right now, then you tap on copy. So once you tap on copy, you're going to tap on profile. When you tap on profile, you're going to tap on options right here. When you tap on options, you're going to see different options: TikTok Studio, My Music, My QR code, settings, and privacy. So you're going to tap on TikTok Studio. After tapping on TikTok Studio, you're going to tap on subscription. You can see subscription. Once you tap on subscription, you could receive an estimated of $236,000 a month if you have about 112,000 subscribers. So you get paid every month depending on the number of subscribers that you've built on your TikTok account. Get paid for your content, build communities, and create a unique voice. Just tap on join subscription and start using this TikTok feature. You can see. And if you want to make money on TikTok, check my profile for tutorials. If you want to make money on TikTok, just tap on the username. Once you tap on the username, it will take you to the profile. Tap right here. It will take you to the profile, and then tap right here. And it will take you straight to step-by-step tutorials.